Why you kill the boy up at Hilltop for?
Me? Come on, Jim. Past them stage a long time.
It seems like if you get, say me and you used to roll. And when you kill people, what you do? I know everything, I don't forget nothing.
So if you know that, you know what you have to do. Kinda want me lift them out upon your man.
And the last thing this never do for you. Come I want you out of my life, and I want you out of my life for good.
Where from?
Yeah, follow me, brother. And I send me my phone.
Five, 565. The code, get in on the room. And this, get in the box. Sheriff!
Shit.
Jem, how are you there? Can't sleep, you sleep already, yeah?
Oh, this is put out of the water. Where you still at it?
You still come here. I didn't come from, so gone.
You're still right, just up until the calculate dinner.
Me go collect your money and can come give you anyway you want this done with once and for all, please. You didn't have option, man. Oh, you don't take key. Now I'm going to take key. So
Yeah. Tell me I wonder what going on.
Thanks. I mean, I don't know how much to get me.
Straight up on the board.
George, you lock by the girl?
What one?
Please go lock by the girl.
Hey, I'm saying Gigi.
Where you come from, George?
What you mean? Jen, you know me no check, you know. I have to know who is with me and who against me. You overs.
And you believe, sir, going up there to go find out if him with you or against you, that gonna make him with you?
No. But me get a chance to look him in the eyes. I see the eyes are windows to the soul. Plus, I find out a bag of thing. Because now me over say you're right. Him did appear some boy up there for move to me. But guess what go on? No, me know which part him there hide. So me, I go feed myself a smoke out that. Me not pay no boy if you do it.
So when you try to tell me, say, you gonna look for Radcliffe?
Oh,
You not look for me. But I write your son. Alright. You see you fast. But I'm not think of that fast.
Jesus Christ, Radcliffe, no. Please.